Hello and welcome to another episode of Supercars and Superstars. Today I am here in the city of Nawabs to cover a very special and a very unique beauty, that is the Austin 1932. और उसके साथ हम वही करेंगे जो हम करते आए हैं पिछले कुछ एपिसोड्स में. I'll be talking about the new launches. I'll be giving you some amazing deals in the last segment. तो वीडियो लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा. And अब बिना किसी वक्त को बर्बाद करे, let's go into our first segment, that is the new segment.
Big launches, bigger legacy. Welcome to this week's Supercars and Superstars news. इस हफ्ते का बड़ा अपडेट रहा, Volkswagen has turned up the heat. The Volkswagen Tayron R line has officially launched in India, and it brings a bold mix of sportiness and sophistication. With its aggressive R-line styling, sharp LED lighting, bold alloys and strong road presence, the Tayron looks every bit premium. अंदर आता है इसमें एक digital cockpit, large infotainment system, ambient lighting and premium interiors, and advanced safety and driver assistant features. Powerful, spacious and refined, the Tayron R-line is built for those who want performance without compromising on comfort. और 7-सीटर में बहुत दिन बाद एक अच्छा लॉन्च हुआ है इंडियन मार्केट में. It will take on rivals like the Skoda Kodiaq, Toyota Fortuner and the Jeep Meridian, bringing Volkswagen's solid built-in driving confidence into the light. Sporty attitude, German engineering, the Tayron R-line means business. Second very big update comes from the house of Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz marks 140 years of automotive excellence with the launch of the iconic Mercedes S-Class. This isn't just an update, this is the gold standard of luxury evolving once again. The new S-Class brings enhanced comfort, even more advanced technology and next level infotainment. अब इसमें 3 screens आने लगी हैं, जिसमें the middle screen is now big 15-inch infotainment system, which is the heart of the car. Every detail speaks of innovation and legacy, because when Mercedes celebrates history, it does so by redefining the future. So that's all for this week. Bold new arrivals, legendary milestones, only on Supercars and Superstars.
Let's start with the most favorite segment of our show, where I focus on something really special. और आज तो कुछ खास है because we are in the city of Lucknow, जो कि नवाबों के लिए और हेरिटेज के लिए जाना चाहता है. और उसी के साथ I have something really special, and that is the Baby Austin 1932. Baby Austin का एक अलग significance है हिस्ट्री में. That is because this was a very small car. इस गाड़ी को ये भी कहा जाता है कि जो हमारे जनरेशन में नैनो आई, वो इससे इंस्पायर होकर बनाई गई थी. तो आप इससे अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि लुक ऑलमोस्ट पूरी गाड़ी मेरे हाथ के रेंज में कवर हो रही है. सो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट कार्स बिल्ट ऑफ दैट एरा. आज का एपिसोड मेरे लिए कुछ ज़्यादा खास इसलिए भी है बिकॉज जिनको ये गाड़ी बिलोंग करती है वो मेरे वालिद साहब, मेरे डैड के बहुत खास दोस्त रहे हैं, और उन दोनों ने आपस में विंटेज कार जर्नी की बहुत मेमोरीज आपस में शेयर करी हैं. आज हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं लखनऊ की एक अजीम शख्सियत. इन्होंने अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी GE इलेक्ट्रिकल्स जैसे प्रेस्टीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ शुरू की और बाद में टाटा मोटर्स और आइडिया के साथ भी अपना वैल्यूएबल कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया. काम के साथ साथ उनका पैशन भी उतना ही खास है, विंटेज कार्स और खासकर उनकी लव फॉर बेबी ऑस्टिन्स, जो उनकी पर्सनालिटी की तरह ही टाइमलेस और एलिगेंट है. प्लीज जॉइन मी इन गिविंग अ वार्म राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू अ जेंटलमैन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, पैशन एंड ग्रेस. चलिए अब मुलाकात करते हैं उस शख्सियत से जिसने इस गाड़ी को बखूबी मेंटेन किया है और इतने प्यार से इतने सालों से अपने साथ रखा है. मिस्टर M.A. खान, आदाब और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने वक्त निकाला आज इस शो के लिए. आई हैव नोन यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. माय वालिद साहब यूज्ड टू नो यू एंड आई हैव नोन योर लव फॉर दिस कार हैज बीन since very long time. Particularly this has been one of your favorite cars over the years I have seen.
Yes.
तो आप कुछ इस गाड़ी के बारे में, how you got it, how it started, कुछ उसके बारे में अपना बताइए.
In the mid-80s,
जी.
one day I was traveling on, the Chalk Road, Nakhash Road.
अच्छा, नखास चौक रोड.
And I found a skeleton of this car
Okay.
standing
जी.
in a dump of Kura.
Really?
And the mud was
अच्छा.
almost up to this level.
Oh wow.
and the wheels and all were all rotten. So I went to a gentleman
जी
who had a workshop in Lal Bagh, an old gentleman, Mr. Varsi,
जी
probably the best mechanic of his times.
ओके
He was about 80 at that time. So I asked him, he says, "Sab theek hai, main janta hu in saab ko,
जी
and I'll try and get the car for you."
ओके
So he negotiated the car with the Nawab in Hyderabad. Nawab क्या थे ताल्लुकदार थे. Initially we wanted at a low price. Those days prices were not very high, but ultimately I agreed for 25,000 rupees. We
ओके
paid 25,000 rupees. I gave the papers also, including the original RC book,
ओरिजिनल आरसी बुक हो
original,
सकता
which is still
जी.
with me.
Okay.
And this gentleman very meticulously prepared the car. Restored the car.
जी
Ultimately, it was on road in 1987.
जैसा कि आपने बताया you saw the car in the Nakhas, then Varsi Mechanics से आपने इनको saw the deal किया and you got it for 25,000. The mechanical work was done, I guess.
Yeah,
या mechanical okay हो गई थी.
Yeah.
उसके बाद का प्रोसेस कैसे शुरू हुआ?
Then I got the car painted, through him only.
जी
But the quality of paint was not very good.
जी
But still, the car was on road.
तो उस टाइम भी यही पेंट हुआ था, डिफरेंट कलर करा था?
यही paint था.
एग्जैक्टली
Same paint था.
ग्रीन किया था जी
But then when I joined Tata Motors in 96,
जी या
so then I had a lot of facilities under me.
जी
So there was a workshop here for where you used to get our chassis and vehicles painted.
जी
So I sent it to that place, and there it was painted properly in a baking oven.
ओके
And that was in 2000, I think 2 or 3.
जी
So now the same color is continuing.
सो 2002 के बाद दिस हैज नॉट बीन पेंटेड
No, not been painted. It's a 1932 model Baby Austin 7,
जी
but somehow the registration book says 1934.
ओके
So it's fine. Probably the model didn't change between those 2 years.
जी
And I then got the car, re-registered.
जी
Those days were the manual registration days. After it became online,
जी
then it was again re-registered. And then the new series came,
अच्छा
the vintage car series.
जी
Then I got it further re-registered with the new name also, with the new UPVEA,
UPVEA, that's the vintage category.
vintage category.
This is, if not the oldest, one of the oldest cars in Lucknow right now.
There are a few cars of the 20s also here,
जी
including one Baby Austin,
ओके
which is I think of 1928 or something.
जी
Not many cars of 20s.
जी
30s also, there are cars, mainly it is 40s and 50s here in Lucknow.
This is very new, something on the steering. Why it is used?
This is the cruise, lever.
Really?
So supposing you're running on the road is empty.
I know the
Then you
cruise
put it-
control
हाँ,
feature.
so-
When we are standing in 2026, cruise control अभी भी बहुत high end और limited गाड़ियों में ही आता है.
हाँ,
And this car had a cruise control way back in 1932.
yes. So it's all mechanical.
That's
Is for adjusting the position of the distributor.
Okay, the other level.
So they say in those days
जी.
they used to start it when it's in a slightly retarding position
Okay.
and then gradually put it back to advanced as the car ran.
One more thing I want to tell the audience is that you can see the car is very small, but there is ample space in this. He's mashallah good heighted and he's sitting really comfortably in the car. So comfort तो इस गाड़ी में है.
And very good logistics.
जी.
Enough place for legs, enough place for,
जी.
knee room, and of course 2 people can easily sit.
Which meters are they? Can you tell me about them?
This is the oil meter
Okay.
and this is the mileometer.
And this is the charging meter.
This is the charging meter.
And you turn this knob to start the car?
This one.
Okay.
And this one is for the headlights.
Alright, this is for the
Headlights
headlights.
and side lights.
Very basic, but everything is there.
Yes.
And this is a pressure horn.
Pressure horn, जब इसके हवा का इंटेक होता है चलने में और उसका धुआं तो बहुत जोर की आवाज निकलती है.
This is very rare.
Just a little caution to people.
जी.
Otherwise, the main horn is this one.
Okay.
This is of course very, very loud.
जी, this is very loud but very big.
But this is the original horn.
This is the spotlight?
It's spotlight, yes. And it is adjustable. So you can, they say in case you want to, these are old days when people used to go for hunting.
जी.
Then you could, focus it onto the
animal.
On the animal, yes.
जी. These were called searchlights.
Searchlight.
जी. Mashallah, everything is working. Tell me something about the Vintage Car Club of Lucknow or rallies क्या हो रही हैं या what are the events that you guys do?
So this is a club which was made by some of the friends,
जी.
mostly Talukdars of Lucknow. I think about 15 years ago.
अच्छा,
because there was an earlier club also which used to be known as the Vintage Car Club of Lucknow.
जी,
But then it was a club which had motorcycles also in it,
जी,
and a little dilution of, according to us,
जी,
it wasn't only for vintage cars. We thought let's have a car only for vintage four-wheelers.
जी,
It was also a nice club. They used to every year hold vintage car rallies for the Lucknow Mahotsav, which
जी,
of course Mahotsav is not there for the last 5 or 6 years.
जी,
So that club still exists.
okay,
But we have a club which is run exclusively for
vintage cars,
vintage cars. No
Ji.
other vehicle.
okay.
No other vehicle.
And do you drive it oftenly? Where you take it out sometimes?
No, I normally take it out on Sunday for fun.
Oh my God, that's really
But
good.
this club has, the name is Awadh Heritage Car Club.
Awadh Heritage Car Club.
हाँ,
And other than that, Sunday you do fun drives on this.
हाँ. And we also have a drive normally once a month.
Okay.
We are invited by somebody to come. So
Ji.
we make it look like a rally.
Ji,
We
a
assemble
drive or
for-
rally, whatever we
We
can.
assemble at, for example, at Lohia Park.
Ji.
And then we drive to the place where we've been invited.
Okay.
So there are good hotels. They also want to do some branding.
Ji.
Then there are clubs who want us to be there in their functions.
Ji.
So we have about 5 to 6 or 4 to 5 rallies
Ji.
every year. It reminded me of the good old days
Ji.
when I used to meet you along with your father,
Ji.
Fareed Sahab,
Ji.
especially the early era of 2000,
Ji.
and also used to visit your home
Mm.
in Civil Lines, where there used to be a lot of cars used to be parked there,
Ji, that was
and
nice.
some of our friends also bought cars through him.
Ji. It was a
Especially-
beautiful
Yes,
time, and my
ah,
dad somewhere
yes.
would be very happy that I am with you together talking
Yes,
about
yes,
this cars.
yes. Very, very, very pleasant and very, very courteous gentleman. हमेशा वो जब कॉल करते थे तो कहते थे मेरे लाइक कोई खिदमत हो तो बताइए. नहीं, यानी meant it.
जी, ही
हाँ, उसे कोई भी कह दिया वो कहते थे मैं आता हूँ.
जी.
कई पार्ट्स उन्होंने हमको दिलवाए.
Thank you so much for sparing your time with your beautiful Austin.
So thank you very much.
और अब एक बहुत ही खास सेगमेंट जुड़ रहा है जो इत्तेफाक से जुड़ा है. खान अंकल के बेटे मिस्टर यूसुफ हैज फ्लोन ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दुबई फॉर अ वेकेशन और मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि मेरी उनसे भी मुलाकात अभी हुई है. तो आई वांट हिम टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट हिज फादर, हिज पैशन फॉर कार्स एंड वो क्या फील करते हैं इसके बारे में.
The passion for automobiles and I think maintaining automobiles is something that I've seen from my father. As you can see with this, the Jeep, the motorbike, they've been around for a very, very long time. And even his regular vehicles, they are well maintained. So I think as a child, that was a big part of my upbringing. And in its own way, I think it's driven my own hobby for cars and motorbikes and riding. So I think it all, as they say, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. And again, it's a privilege to come back home, I think, where you still have an ability to maintain the heritage and the history of these vehicles. So it's a privilege to be a part and a privilege to be my father's son.
So now, अपने आखिरी segment में आते हैं, where I'll be giving you deals on amazing supercars. This time I have something very special because गाड़ी का color मुझे बहुत special लगता है, the fiery red. So I have a BMW X3 that is a 2017 model, done 1 lakh kilometers, but very well maintained. It is a UP registration and we have it for sale for 19 lakh rupees. If you are interested, you can see the pictures and give us a call or DM and we'll get back to you about this deal. उम्मीद है आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. ये एपिसोड मेरे लिए बहुत इमोशनल था बिकॉज इसमें मेरे डैड का जिक्र रहा है और अंकल को भी मैं काफ़ी वक्त से जानता हूँ. इनकी जर्नी जो गाड़ियों के साथ रही है उसका कहीं ना कहीं मैं भी हिस्सा रहा हूँ. सो आई होप यू लाइक द एपिसोड और अगर पसंद आया है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और अपने कमेंट्स करके हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा कि हम इसको और बेहतर कैसे बना सकते हैं. और टिल देन टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ़ यू हैव एनी कार दैट यू लव देन यू आर अ सुपरस्टार.